Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly next level. This isn't just another crypto dashboard or wallet tool. This is BitForge AI, a revolutionary cross-chain mining system powered by artificial intelligence, built under the AI Scripts ecosystem and designed to unify EVM, Solana, and Bitcoin mining into one smart, adaptive interface. So grab your coffee, make sure your Phantom or MetaMask wallet is ready, and let's forge some intelligence into your mining setup. BitForge AI is part of the AI Scripts ecosystem, the main hub powering the SCRPT token presale. Think of BitForge as the engine. It allows you to mine Bitcoin and other supported assets while automatically optimizing your rewards through AI-driven logic. Every action you take here, every block mined, every change switch contributes to your global presale and mining rewards. All right, the first thing you'll do is connect your wallet. You can use Phantom for Solana or MetaMask for EVM chains. Click the Connect Wallet button, it's right there at the top, or in the Wallet Manager panel. Once connected, BitForge AI will automatically detect your network and balance. You'll also see your current mining stats appear in real time, all powered by on-chain data. And don't worry, your keys stay in your wallet. BitForge never stores or controls your assets. It only interacts through standard wallet permissions. Next, let's fire up the AI miner. Click on the Start Mining button inside the miner module. From here, BitForge begins on-chain mining yield. Now, what's special here is the AI optimization layer. It dynamically adjusts mining intensity and cross-chain balance to maximize your return. You'll literally watch your profits update every few seconds. BitForge supports multiple networks. ETH mining yields roughly between 0.5 to 1.5 ETH per day. SOL yields around 3 to 7 SOL daily. BTC averages 0.01 to 0.03 BTC per day, and SCRPT, the AI Scripts presale token, can range from 100 to 700 per day as a mining bonus. Your profits are displayed on the dashboard, updating in real time. Every mining session creates a full activity log. Visible under the Mining Logs section, you can track chain activity, time, profits, and withdrawal events. Withdrawals through your connected wallet, instant and transparent. Now, let's talk about the SCRPT presale. This is where things get exciting. During the presale, your mining activity through BitForge AI directly boosts your eligibility and rewards inside the AI Scripts ecosystem. By connecting and mining, you automatically begin accumulating participation bonuses. Think of it as earning additional AI power that syncs with your SCRPT token allocation. If you want full details, head over to ai-scripts.vercel.app. That's the official AI Scripts portal, where you can learn more about the presale, tokenomics, and future integrations. Now, here's the plan. We're going to let BitForge AI run continuously for the next 2 to 3 days straight. During that time, it'll be mining across chains, collecting live profits, and optimizing returns through AI. Once that's done, we'll return with a follow-up video where we'll go over the actual profit results and perform a live withdrawal demonstration. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and keep an eye out for that next upload, because you won't want to miss what the numbers look like after a few days of autonomous mining. And that's it. You're officially part of the next evolution in decentralized mining. Remember, this is just one script under the growing AI Scripts umbrella. Stay curious, stay decentralized, and keep forging with intelligence. This is AI Crypto Trading, signing off from BitForge AI.